Fortuna GR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times CEO dozele qala Orlando Pirates liphumelele indebe yalo yesibini kulo unyaka okanye kule isizini sikuyo ka 2025-2026 isonga kishwankathela kwixesha elangezelelweyo ibingumdlalo noko ubungaginyisa imathe encakasane ingumdlalo ungadakisa inhlansi kodwa ke kwimidlalo yamagqibela kaNqoyi iba khona ke into ethi phumelela umdlalo olona xanduva nalo intoba ubuye nendebe ubuye nemali so baqhubela izandla ke abafana beOrlando Pirates ngamanye amaxesha ke xa kuwiniwe ibe ngo-3-2 siye sifika apha sibamba izandla enhloko sithi hey wayibona igoli ethile wayibona hayi namhlanje ibingengulo umdlalo shem ingaba sithethe ubuxoki kodwa ke liye laphumelela iqela ndide ndisho ke lamadoda ngaphakathi ndithi eyona nto ibalulekileyo intoba ekupheleni kwalomdlalo noba sicinga ntoni ngawo uba awuniki imdla ekupheleni kwalomdlalo bakhona banxibe umbala othile bazawuthi thina siphumelele kwaye izaba yeyona nto ibalulekileyo leyo xa upheleleyo umdlalo intoba kufundekele ke abo baphumeleleyo baxhumaxhume kudutyulwe phezulu njalo njalo noba ke ibizaba yigalanti okanye ibe yibhakaniya ukhona umuntu ozawuphumelela kuba umdlalo wamagqibela kaNqoyi wona ke unganiki imdla kakhulu kodwa ke uRelebohile Mofokeng mhlawumbi singathi ke usihlangulile intoba lo mdlalo ubuhleli kakade iMarumo Gallants icebo labo intoba utsale kuze ke kunike uArobi ithuba loba ahlambe noba zimbini ipenalty kodwa ke sifika ngapho at least ke songile noba ilo 30 minutes sihambe siyolala siyokwenza abantwana nabafazi Bobzit ubona njani umdlalo ndoda What do you think of the Cape?
No man, ngithanda le part ucede kuyisho Nkululeko. Okusalayo mabhakani ejabulile.
Yeah, there's a color. I always say this. I said when Pirates was playing Chiefs in the Nedbank Cup at halftime, that game was incredibly boring. And I said to these guys when we were shooting halftime, I said, well, it's a boring game, this game. It was 0-0 at halftime when Chiefs were defeated Pirates in the Nedbank Cup final. And I said to the guys when we shoot halftime videos, I said, it's boring, but the one thing about finals is that one of these colors, whoever wins, the fact that it's boring, it's unentertaining, it's not good quality, people are going to forget it because one of those two colors is going to win. And when one wins, it will be so important that sinidlile in and we drink, our team won, we shoot guns in the air, whatever people do when they are excited. So that was always going to happen. It was not a nice game at some points of this game because I could see Marumo Gallants wants to drag this game to penalties. And I was like, if Pirates don't score, then we are at the mercy of Marumo Gallants. But okay, back Koranga, because it has to go to penalties. So anyways, well done to Orlando Pirates.
Kuleko before ngibulisa Machita. Ngicela ukuba ube yimi. Just ngibuza umbuzo oyi-1.
Sure.
Njengoba le game ucede ukusho ukuthi bebhora. It's because of iPirates ayizange idlale kahle or iMarumo Gallants idlale kahle today.
When I first saw the first 45 of the game, I thought that Orlando Pirates didn't turn up their players. Strangely enough, because they are experienced.
Yeah.
They've gone to finals. Abamakhopa, Apolis, they're kind of experienced. China, all of them, they've gone to finals and they've won them. But the first 45 minutes, I said, okay, this game is unentertaining. For Marumo Gallants, clearly they were never going to be entertaining because I said even yesterday in the predictions that, number one, they're going to try semi-finals, quarterfinals, they dragged the game to penalties. They won. That's how they won. They didn't win because they beat someone 2-0, 2-1 or 3-1. They dragged the game to penalties. Against Sundowns, in extra time, Sundowns got a red card. Marumo Gallants had an extra man, but still Arubi was wasting time to drag it to penalties. So I knew one of these teams is just going to drag this to penalties. And I said it in our prediction videos. On the other hand, with Orlando Pirates, I thought, okay, it might be a very difficult game, but you still do expect them to create opportunities. This game was unentertaining in a sense that there were no goal-scoring opportunities. Orlando Pirates players, you could see from their bodies, Umakhopa, normally, in the last few games, at least, you could see that he was amped up. He's normally also a very big game player, Umakhopa, strangely, but he's a big game player. If you give him a big game, if you give him Sundowns, semi-finals, he will give it his all. It was not the case today. Relebohile Mofokeng, we saw him only when he scored the goal. So there were too many players for me who were missing from Orlando Pirates. And also, it's also true that Marumo Gallants were also not giving anything. Yes, they were circulating the ball, but all the time that they were circulating the ball, I was always saying, well, we're not going to the final third, so what's the point? Yes, they are a less quality team, but we knew at some point, as the game was dragging on, we were like, if the goal is not scored by Pirates, then we are going to penalties.
kuleko ithi ngibulisa amajita le studio
Yes, sir.
ngibulisa nawe bhuti.
Yes, sir.
Ungamangali ngigcoka ijezi green namhlanje. I thought ukudlala bafana the way the Pirates ngiboni yenza kahle kakhona ngabadlali beOrlando Pirates naku national team. So yeah, kuleko
Well, the national team was playing. So.
Yeah man, bengicabanga
And there was a national anthem. Magdala,
Yeah.
who performed Makadzi, and there was also a national anthem. So a national team was playing.
Yeah, so kuleko kunenye into engijabulisayo lapha uma ngibona icelebration yeOrlando Pirates before ngangena kule game. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kungaba kuhle yazi ngijabula the way ngibona iminister ijabule ngakhona. Ngibona the way ya celebrate ngakhona nelicembu leOrlando Pirates. Kwangathi angaba khona konke lama games sinokuba nawo ama final. I-team ewinayo ay celebrateele. Ngiyacabanga iOrlando Pirates yenza kahle kakhulu nkuleko.
Is he a known Pirates supporter? Do you know?
No, angisho uyiminister. Ukuthi support iPirates uma sewuyiminister sokubekela side kwangathi
No,
angaba
I'm saying
khona.
I'm asking ukuthi uyiyona. I don't know.
I'm not sure, but
so that's not where you're going.
Yeah, ngithanda the way ngibona enza ngakhona into enhla yenza inkuleko. You know uma uba khona kulama finals ucelebrate ne team ewinile.
Sure.
Even if ilanga kwini Chippa United simbona celebrate ne Chippa into enhle kakhulu le ngiyayithanda kakhulu inkuleko.
Nice one.
Ngibona nomqeqeshi Orlando Pirates uyabonisa ukuthi usasekhona efieldini ngibone bamthatha ngenye run. I think we shayile Belly one lapha.
Coach my coach.
Yeah, kuleko. I think ilibongise iqembu leOrlando Pirates kuleko. I think le deserve kuleko. If bebangathi ungumdlali wala eSouth Africa uyoshada kule season uma ngabe iqembu lakho line trophy. I kusho ukuthi kumele abadlali beOrlando Pirates abathola imishado. Ayilaba abanye khona no siyalibongisa kuleko.
A lot of bonuses.
Siyalibongisa iqembu leOrlando Pirates ngiyacabanga ukuthi lenze kahle kakhulu ama trophy awu2 isizini isangakapheli. Umsebenzi omuhle nkuleko akuvamisile ukwenzeka esikhatini esiningi uma ngabe i-team mhlambe efana neOrlando Pirates njengamanje sibona sign quality players bafika abadlali bafika baphakamisa leya team kule performance iPirates ebeyinalo. Unfortunately yes baphumile ku CAF but uma ngabe yahluleka kubamba ibig fish nkuleko zama ukuthi lamabhabura khona uhambe nawe eChartini ngibona ngathi kubaleke kakhulu. So congratulations to coach Orlando Pirates technical team ngamkhohlwi assistant coach uNcikazi ngiyabona ukuthi kukhona naye kwenzayo kule team because bayenza lento babonke because akumelanga uma seyiloser bese sikhomba ucoach wadu yedwana kusho kona ukuthi yonke into bayenza together.
You asked me what did I think was lacking in terms of equality game.
Yeah.
I have to ask you that same question as well.
Yeah.
Number one, do you agree about the quality that it was not there? Of course, the team that won. And I always say this about finals, that the people with the color of the team that won will celebrate one way or another. Do you agree with the fact that it was unentertaining? Do you understand why? Can you point why maybe it was not that great?
Yes, I agree with you Nkuleko. But into engenza ukuthi ngibe understand lento kalula ukuthi the word final lisho something. If you understand ukuthi why lento ibe final, kumele wazi ukuthi bonke abadlali ngiyacabanga ukuthi babe motivated ukuthi bayidlala ifinal. Uma ungabheka i-team efana neMarumo Gallants, abadlali beMarumo Gallants. Yes, mabadlala nalama team engwabiza ukuthi ama big team most of the time. Badlala the way badlale ngakhona today. But uma ungabheka enye into le quality nabo abanayo compare ku Orlando Pirates. Today babonisile ukuthi asabu ukudlala ibhola. From the back goalkeeper uArubi uyafuna ukudlala nabo Sikhosana.
Almost gave it.
We understand. Uyadlala aboncube bafuna ukudlala nabo Chabatsane bafuna ukudlala abo Bands. What a player wena Nkuleko abo Bands banabo Nhlabo.
Roger Fetumba.
I think uyazi umkhumbuzo azizi yazi. The way ata engakhona umkhumbuzo azizi umdlali we that.
So a good left foot.
Yes Nkuleko. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi the fact ukuthi kuyifinali bonke abadlali baba motivated. That's why sibabona basinikeza lokho abasinikeza kona. I think le game be too tactical mongabheka bebangafuna ukwenza ama mistake kakhulu. Mangabheka abo really umdlalo ofana no Apolis. Yes, first half uzamile Apolis. He was a player ngibona ngathi bekazama ukuthi at least ufuna ukunokha kule defense yeMarumo Gallants. But uma ngabheka labadlala bafana nabo really njengoba ngisho bese basebenzisa lesipillion sokuthi no siyakwazi ukudlala siyakwazi ukuwina final. I mean not ukudlala because they always win ama finals. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bancede kakhulu labo badlali beOrlando Pirates the way ngicabanga ngakhona even though bebangabonakali the way sicabanga ukuthi bebangabonakala ngakhona mhlawumbe but bona bekunemtatshela the way beyanga ngakhona. Mina bengicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe
is a good midfielder, but yeah, this final, it shoot him up. It's a surprise that he stayed there for so long in that game.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi bafunele energy, bafunele ukucover lama space because mangathi uyambheka uGood kulento efana naleyo. So for iOrlando Pirates mangabuka icale le game kuleko first half benganayo number 10. Angazi mhlawumbe mina ngibone ngenye indlela. iPirates bengana number 10 because uNemtjatjela bekadlala as a 8. Ngapha ubeke uNdulu bekumakhawuli badlala as a 6 babonke. Ngikhana uzobona umdlalo ofana noMbuli ulo ubani le ntwala ledlala lomakhawule umbatha sorry.
Oh, yeah,
Ngikhana uzobona ngizundulu.
So it was actually 3 because Umduli was not there.
Unduli was not there.
It was Umbatha, Makhawula and Nemtjatjela. And it wasn't clear ukuthi ubani supposed to support as a number 10.
Bebanganayo number 10 because bekumele kube uNemtjatjela but uyambona ukuthi because of ufuna ukuthi abuye azomakha bafuna ukuzamani ku overload le midfield because babonile ukuthi aboBans nabo Nhlapo nabo Sithole babuyile benza so because uSithole bekadlala emva kwaNdlondlo but ungambheka badlala kwangathi 4-4-2 but babuye baba 5 in the middle of the park but defender nga 4 uDlondlo udlala as a false 9 bafuna iPirates ivule but what I like ngeOrlando Pirates bengabanikezi le space behind la khona ukuthi bazofuna aboDlondlo ba run behind because ngibona umdlalo ofana noChabatsane bekafuna ukudlalisa uNdlondlo always behind the defense la khona afuna ukuthi uLubitso akhuphuke but uLubitso bekangakhuphuki because uyabona ukuthi ilaba afuna ukusilimaza khona most of the time and ungabheka ngalo ndaba bekana mistake inkuleko ilaba engicabanga ukuthi iMarumo Gallants bekumele umdlalo ofana no Otladisa asebenzisele la side because ngimbone ngathi umdlalo beyangekho ready uyambona ukuthi le final bengasimdlalo ukuthi bekayinikeza something
big stage for him
so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekumele ba capitalize lapha lento yenza second half or ku extra time umdlalo ofana noOtladisa ila bese bathatha khona abadlali beOrlando Pirates unfortunately bathatha la khona sebafake bani uHoto umbokazi uyabuya uzodlala lela side kuba difficult for yena ukuthi angadila nalela side sometimes uyahamba uyodlala ngale kudlala khona uLibitso so ngiyacabanga ukuthi coach weMarumo Gallants yilento bekayenza ukuthi you know what usithola kabuye uMabuza abuye azo assista labadlali abobani uChabatsane nomdlalo ofana noNcube ku right so what a player uNcube Nkuleko akalahli ibhola right back engichaza ngento e1 akafuna ukuzibulala ukuya going forward ufuna ukwenza nje ama basic that is why apolice banokuchange uReal umbonile ukuthi bekenza bekuba difficult for yena kulela side because beba always baza phakathi ungabheka uChabatsane uyabuya anoNcube bazaduze naboSikhosi balinde ukuthi Pirates ayidlale wide uma idlala wide baya stretcher baya la iPirates kumele ukuthi idlale khona ubuyile waletha umdlalo ofana nomremi ngicabangile ukuthi mina vele uReal akabuya azodlala lo10 but umbonile number 10 akazange afunction uvele ngalela
the only thing it did was the goal which is very
important
important
assist ngimbone ayishaya uReal angazi ukuthi umbuthuma wenzeni wamisa uMahupa wamisa ukulheada lela ball uReal sometimes noba ngaba quiet Nkuleko but what I like ngoReal uzovela ngeassist uzovela ngegoal sakubona thina eMbombela kwenza lokho afaka uZungu Ishibobo ungambona ngathi quiet but at the end of the day kuba na something azo contribute ngayo egamini umdlalo ofana noReal so ngiyacabanga ukuthi igame plan yabo amaRumo Gallants isebenzile Nkuleko unfortunately bayiluzile le game but kule last 15 minutes mina Nkuleko mina ngucoach it's a final le ngiluza nga 1-0 there's no need yokuthi ngasa defender ngabadlali abawu4 ngithumela yonke into phambili ngamana ngihlabe 5 goals it's a final le game
it makes no difference we
understand ngiyaluza vele final akunakuthi bathi mhlambe kuzoba ne goal different kunani ngithumela abadlali ngithatha amabhola ngafaka eboxini anything ingenzeka mhlambe kungaba nema second ball or kungaba khona mhlambe nokuthi omunye asebenzisa elbow sigcina sithola ipenalty but azami plan ukuthi okay manje silithola kanjani but ngibona ucoach achubeka ngalento le mhlamba aqale ngayo unfortunately it's too late man for iOrlando Pirates mangabe mhlambe ikwazi ukumanage igame njengabadlali abafana noBumbule ngiyacabanga ufike wenza kahle kakhulu
absolutely when Orlando Pirates went 1-0 up Mbule was the one who dictated terms ukuthi oniyalifuna come and chase it and he kept the ball for Orlando Pirates and this is where I agree with you that at that point you are expecting Alexandre Lafitte ukuthi just ask everyone to go up. It makes no difference whether we lose 2-0 or 3-0. We are losing. Let's go and try and chase it. Was there any point in this game where you felt ukuthi iMarumo ingabuya na igame?
Nkuleko mina bengibona iMarumo ingeke ibuye bengibona mangabe iyabuya kuma penalty because bengazi ukuthi uWashington Arubi kukhona lokho mhlamba ngakwenza ikhona eli1 ngawanalo because une confidence ngiyacabanga lento le uvamisile ukuyenza kuma final I remember uma iSundowns izoshaya kuNetbank 2-1 eNorthwest yila khona ngambona 19 minutes uThapelo Mrena alivalele ne-10 ngabona ukuthi uyayifuna lento ukuthi okay la team okay siyayibamba siya kuma penalty eli1 ngizolivalela but kule 90 minutes 120 minutes angicabanga
in
ukuthi
open play, you were not confident.
because bebangana attack awuna striker uNdlondlo udlala as a false nine but akawathola amabhola so uyabona ukuthi sometimes badingeka ukuthi babe nayo imidlali up front ukuthi akhona ukuleader leya front line ye Marumo Gallants but congratulations kuMbokazi Nkuleko ngiyacabanga uyivale kahle chapter yakhe Orlando Pirates kuhle de wengibona ngakhona ukuthi ahambe anayo leya medal
so the chairperson ye league nayo uMammato Madlala, the chairperson of Golden Arrows also the acting CEO of the league uMammato Madlala, you saw that they were speaking to him, the minister Ugaten Mackenzie as well, maybe just to say goodbye and thank you so much for your contribution. So it's nice to see him and also well done to Pirates as well for the deal abayenzile ukuthi siyamcela okay nimthengile, you gave us your money but siyamcela nje one more game which is the final. So at least he will be able to walk away with something special. Before I let you go, it's a double so far for Orlando Pirates. I'm sure they will dream big. I'm sure somewhere in the boardroom there's a talk about a treble.
Bakhona abashaya ovalo uma iPirates elokuyenza so abanye bazothi sijwayele ukuyibona iPirates wina lama trophy but uma ungabheka the way iRainforce engakhona Nkuleko kusho kona ukuthi kuna life ufuna ukuyakhona iOrlando Pirates if abanye bangabheki kahle bazosola babone iOrlando Pirates ibuthe yonke lento kule season angisho ukuthi iPirates will win the league ungizwe kahle but uma ngabe bazoyeka iPirates ichubeke ibe consistent wengibona inconsistent ngakhona most of the time inokuthi iPirates ingaqali kahle igcine kahle sometimes ayiqali icala kahle igcine kabi but this season the way ngibona i-depth yeOrlando Pirates ngakhona ngibona na the way labadlali beOrlando Pirates bayilambele ngakhona apolice ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuningi ekusazoyenzeka kule game yala eMzansi Nkuleko.
There you go. Thank you very much, Bobsit. Orlando Pirates will have 2 opportunities to make it a treble. It will be the Nedbank Cup somewhere after January, and then it will be the league, which, if they win the game in hand, they lead it by 5 points, and we're almost at the halfway stage of the league. So there will be 2 opportunities to make it a treble. This final, you will be forgiven, of course. I'm sure people have different habits at home. Some people watch it and then they go to Arsenal or they watch another game, Liverpool. Barcelona was playing as well with Real Betis, and then you come back to the game. So sometimes you don't feel the boringness of a game because you can always just flip channels and all of that. And the people at the stadium, it's a different experience of them, of course, because they still expect, even if there's no shots at goal, there's nothing that's happening, they still expect, there's still this weight of expectation that our team is going to score, our team is going to score. So for them, it's a different experience. There's songs being sung, someone pours beer on top of your head by mistake, and stuff like that. So it's a different experience. But the people who sit on TV to watch it, it is sometimes a very difficult watch, but I'm pretty sure that the black and white will be very proud of the double so far this season. It is Times also splitting.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.